Hello my cupcakes and welcome back to my channel. I've already washed and moisturized my skin, so let's begin with a primer. Today I'm using my current favorite, the No Pore Blend Primer by Touch in Sol. I've used this primer for the first time in my most recent full face of first impressions video and loved it ever since. For foundation today, I'm going to apply the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Santa Fe, and I'm going to mix a hint of the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in Bisque 27. I've been really enjoying this combo because it adds a bit more coverage and slightly mattifies the NARS foundation, which is perfect for my combination skin. With the concealer that's left over, I'm going to use a smaller dense brush to spot conceal any areas that needs a bit more coverage. We're going for that full flawless look today, okay? For my under eyes today, I'm going to use this new under eye brightening corrector in light to medium by Becca. Can you guys see the difference this makes? Like, I've been loving this under my concealer to give my under eyes some extra brightening effect. Before we begin setting everything, I always like to apply some sort of lip balm, and today we're going to use our Sugar Rose Tinted Lip Treatment by Fresh. This has that super cute rosy tint that I actually wear it alone on a regular day basis. For concealer today, you know the drill, Tarte Shape Tape in Light Sand. I can't not use this. I tried looking for something new to replace this and I haven't. If you guys know of any new concealers that I can try that could possibly be as good as this, let me know in the comments down below. To set my face, I'm using the Primed and Poreless Powder by Too Faced. I like to use a big flat fluffy brush so that it doesn't add any more coverage than I want it to, and it just lightly sets down the foundation. For my under eyes, I'm going to set and bake using the Dermablend Translucent Powder. I've been setting it using a small dense angle brush to really press it on first, which helps it set. Then I like to add on extra layer on top to bake and catch any eyeshadow fallouts later so that we can dust it away. For my eyebrows today, I'm using the Brow Gel and Brow Duo in Universal Taupe by Bare Minerals. I've again tried this for the first time in my last video and I really liked it with the formula and even the shade. It worked perfectly for my current hair color, and if you'd like to see an in-depth tutorial on my eyebrows, I'll link it down below. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the Good Old Paint Pot in Soft Ochre by MAC. I also like to use this Sigma F75 brush to apply it because the sharp edges help me clean up my brows at the same time. For my eyeshadows today, I'm going to use 3 of these beautiful trios by Smashbox. I'm first going to apply this subtle vanilla shimmer shade in the trio called Tag Me in the inner corner to brighten up that area for later. Then I'm going to apply this soft nude shade in the trio Nudie Pick and apply that on my crease area, but blending it out so that it has a very soft, subtle transition. We're gonna bust out our glitter trio in Pick Me, and I'm going to use that lush pink shade as the main transition shade, applying it right below the previous shade using a smaller blending brush. Going back to the Tag Me trio, I'm going to apply that deep red on the outer corner with the tapered crease brush so that the shadow blends out softly, but it still maintains the focal point at the outer corner. Now for the fun part, I'm going to grab a smaller shader brush and apply the pink glitter shadow on the inner corner to the mid area of my lids. Look at that beautifulness. This is exactly what I was looking for. Not too metallic and wet, but a soft glitter to emphasize this dolly look. I'm going to flip my brush and apply the purpley pink glitter this time on the mid area of my lid. I decided to use my fingers this time to pack the glitter a little bit more on the central area, and it was just perfect. Once that's done, I'm going to grab a clean fluffy brush to dust off excess glitter on the lid, and then using a bigger tapered fluffy brush, I'm going to dust off the translucent powder underneath my eyes. For liner today, I'm using the Sex Kitten liner by Tarte. I absolutely love this liner for a long-lasting, intense black line, which is pretty much the only type of liner I'll use. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply these beautiful Celine lashes by Sture Essentials. I've been wearing the crap out of these lashes because they look amazing with pretty much any look you create. I'm going to go back to the matte pink shade and apply that on my lower lash line to tie in the look. Then using the same shader brush I used earlier, I'm going to apply a hint of the glitter shadow on the inner corner. I'm going to finish the eyes with mascara on my lower lash line, and this is the Stretchix mascara by Touch in Soul. It has been my savior. Just look at what this magic wand does to my pathetic lower lashes. To finish the rest of my face, I'm going to apply this Art Class by Rodin Contour Powder by Too Cool for School. I'm going to swirl all 3 shades to contour my cheekbones and the outer corners of my forehead. Then using a small flat brush, I'm going to use this cooler shade in the middle to contour my nose. This is a perfect 3-in-1 product, and I recommend this to anyone close to my skin tone. For blush today, I'm using the new Gen Beauty blush in Call My Blush by Bare Minerals. I personally love how this blush isn't too pigmented from the start so that you can build it up as you need. For highlighter, I'm using the liquid version of the Mary Luminizer that just launched by The Balm Cosmetics. I started by dotting it on the highest part of my cheekbones, but I think it'll blend way better if you blend it right away first before it starts to set. Either way, this glow was still really beautiful, so I applied it to the rest of the areas where light would naturally reflect on my face. For lips, I'm applying the Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquer in Darling by Bare Minerals. I wanted something that's close to my natural lip color so that I still had some color, but not too overwhelming where it could look too much altogether with the eyes. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I love this makeup so much that I actually went grocery shopping like this. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media handles and give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!